Hey sweeties, we're doing some good old low country cooking today. We have red rice on the menu. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we're making more delicious dishes just like this one. Let me show you what we got. Yes, we are serving up that good old Carolina red rice. Got that Geechee Gullah cooking. It is good for you, good for your soul. Let's get into it. Let me show you how it's done. So we have all of our ingredients here ready for our red rice. We've got some long grain rice here, chicken broth, some canned diced tomatoes. My father uses whole tomatoes and then squeezes them up with his hand. I'm going to skip that. We're going to use an onion, a green pepper, some oil to get things started, and some sausage. We're going to chop everything up and get it ready to go. But first, let's strain those tomatoes so we'll see exactly how much liquid we're working with, and then we'll add enough chicken broth so we can cook our rice. So we'll strain that and reserve both the diced tomatoes and the juice. So my sausage is chopped and in the pan with a little oil to get it nice and brown. It's a lot of sausage, yeah, I know, but somebody always seems to pick the sausages out of the finished rice. Like, where do all the sausages go? Like, you can't put enough sausages in this rice. So we're using 6 sausages today. All right, so look at that. Our sausage is getting nice and brown, and all of that cooked onto the bottom of our pan is going to add flavor into our finished rice dish. And then we're going to go in with those chopped peppers and onions. Let that soften. And you'll see just sauteing the onions and peppers in there have helped to deglaze this pan. So the bottom of it is already nice and clean. So now I'm going to stir in 3 cups of rice. So I will need 6 cups of that tomato chicken broth mixture. I'm going to saute my rice around in here first for a bit. Then we're going to add those strained tomatoes in there. Pour in our tomato juice chicken broth mixture. And all of the amounts will be in the description box. Put in a sprinkle of salt and a bay leaf. Stir that up and let it come to a simmer. And then we're going to pop it into the oven. Our oven is already at 350 degrees. Now people put lots of different ingredients in their red rice. They put red bell pepper, maybe celery. Shrimp goes great in red rice. Let me know if your family makes red rice. What do they put in it? Is it something different than I did? I'd like to know. So our rice is simmering. We're going to cover it and put it in the oven and let all the moisture absorb, and then we'll be good to go. So our red rice is out of the oven. All of it's nice and moist. I'm going to fish that bay leaf out. Every bite you want some tomatoes, some peppers, onions, and some sausage. And that is it, folks. I'm going to serve up a big scoop of this rice with some fried fish. It's going to be so good. Low country cooking for you. Please subscribe to my channel and have a delicious day.